Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any of the real-life buildings to become a 3D model in Blender 5.1. You can see this is the Empire State Building in United States, and now I already successfully converted just in a few seconds to become a 3D model in Blender 5.1, and all of the material texture are quite good. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to make this. Let's go. Alright, the first step, just need to open your browser, go to the image.google.com and search for the building's name. Just for example, Empire State Building, PNG. So now you can see this is the Empire State Building picture. We need to get a very clear picture so that it can read by the AI. We need to have a very clear image. So you need to just look for one by one. Alright, so now you already have this. Is it okay? Just right click to save the image. Save the image on the desktop, and this is PNG. Save. Alright, so now the picture is already in your computer. Next, just go to search for SAM3D Meta. Then this is an AI app that can convert the picture to become a 3D model. Just click try it. This is a free app. Create 3D scene. Right, so click upload from the desktop, and now it is uploading. Just wait for a while. Then next is just click and select the area that you want until you highlight everything. Alright, so now you can see it already highlighted. Right, once it already highlighted, just click generate 3D. It is going to generate the whole 3D model just in a few seconds. It is really fast. You can see it now. It is ready. This is the Empire State Building. Alright, then now just click download as a GLB file. Click download. And here you need to wait for a few seconds. It is going to convert to become the GLB file for you. And later we are going to import into Blender 5.1. Once it is ready, it is going to pop out the save as. So now I'm going to just save it on my desktop, and the file name, I'm going to just name this Empire State Building USA. Click save. Now the GLB file is ready. You double click it, it is going to open just by using the 3D viewer in Windows 10. And now you can just import it into your Blender 5.1. This is Blender 5.1. The first step, I'm going to just click the empty area and just press A and delete everything. Next, drag in the GLB file to the center. Then click import GLTF. And then, next we are going to just turn on the material texture. And this one, I'm going to just move it up so that it is on the ground, and the pivot point, I'm going to just press Ctrl full stop, and just drag it down to here. Then Ctrl full stop one more time. And now this is the Empire State Building. And I'm going to just make it bigger just by pressing S to just make it bigger. This building 3D model, you can use it in the background, in your background of the Blender. Of course, the resolutions, the image texture is not that clear, but you still can use it because now it is already become a 3D model. Alright. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to convert the real life buildings, the real buildings, to become a 3D model in your Blender 5.1 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings about the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!